everyone, it's Allie. I'm doing a video today of how I cut my hair. A lot of people don't realize I cut it myself, and so I'm making a video of it. The first thing I want to do is show you what I use, and that would be, sometimes I use this clip. I use generally about 2 rubber bands, one of these hair comb thingies with the pointy thing. I don't know what it's called. A razor with the little comb thingy on it. And I'm going to be using Paul Mitchell leave-in conditioner to condition my hair before I do any of this. And I'm going to also straighten my hair. So those are going to be my tools. So I'm going to go ahead and flat iron it, condition it, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so my hair is more or less straightened. I did forget to mention that I do also use heat hair care product, so, you know, and I really hate the way people normally make cutting hair videos where they, you know, speed everything up and, you know, don't really say much through it. I hate to say it, but I would have to do that too, because I really just, it takes too long otherwise. I kind of realized that afterwards. So I'm going to keep my heater on, and I'm going to show you first how I'm going to first go through, I'm not going to tell you, but you'll see I'm going to split my hair up. It's going to look funny, don't make fun of me. I'm going to split up my hair and then start chopping away. Generally, I just let the hair fall on the floor and I sweep it up later. So that's how I do it. Alright, here we go. And that was a lot of hair, wasn't it? That's, you know, all that's left over. It's just a trim to get the stuff out of my face and make it a little bit more neater. And next video you're going to see, I'm going to dye my hair. So, see you then.